Namaste.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my new videos of my America blog series. So today we are exploring the San Antonio River Walk, which is a very famous and attractive tourist places where people used to visit. So you can see like how the boat ride happen over here और यहाँ पर बहुत ही टूरिस्ट आते हैं और ऐसे ही बोट राइड करके उसका हिस्ट्री को जानने को ट्राई करते हैं और while walking you will see so many music like you can see how they're playing the live music. People are enjoying their food nearby the river with the scenic beauty, and our boat ride has started, so let's enjoy that boat ride.
Alrighty, guys, we are back. Look
So you can
around, make sure you
see
got
like
everything
how
because
we are
that's where we
going,
are.
and our tour guide is explaining all the things with detailed way.
Buildings up there now still in this
What is the
neighborhood.
history behind this
Different
river walk,
residential
why people
art galleries, art
come here, what
supplies.
all
These are
the
people
famous
in the
places are
real estate
there. You
business.
can see
Yeah, I've heard all kinds of stuff, but
so
nothing to
many
say
tall
sorry
and
for
old
anything in the past.
buildings with
I've even
so
heard
many
she's looking into
creative
the future of Cowboys making
statues.
it back to the Super
This
Bowl.
one you can see
Like
like
being you
how
don't really know
beautiful and creative statue it is, and behind that you can see a beautiful building over there, and so many breeze are
Alright,
there
off to our
which
right hand side,
we will see.
way off in
So
the
you can see
sky.
सब लोग कैसे उनके फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ सब आए थे देखने के लिए और बोट राइड एंजॉय कर रहे थे। तो ऐसे ही बोट राइड हमेशा यहाँ पर होता रहता है, एंड एवरी 15 to 20 minutes you will get a boat and they will explore you all across all the riverway. If you'll try to walk, it might take more times, 4 hours, 5 hours, but with this boat ride, you can enjoy all the things in a very detailed way. So let's enjoy the view and enjoy all the river walk.